lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukele nazi ezinohlonze ekusihlwa nje.
This deployment serves to prevent and combat crime and support and preserve law and order under Operation Prosper, which is targeting illegal mining and gangsterism.
Umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa usazise iPhalamende ngokusemthethweni ngokujutshwa kwamalungu e-SANDF angu-2,200 ngaphansi kohlelo ye-Operation Prosper. Lamasosha azotshalwa-ke eGauteng, e-Eastern Cape, Free State, North West kanjalo-ke nase-Western Cape.
You say in so many words, at the time, reference was to the other faction. How does that suddenly change? I don't understand.
Inhloko yethimba lobugebengu obuhleliwe uMajor General Richard Shebiri uvaleleke ekhoneni kukhomishana kaMadlanga ngenhloso yokuthi kakhipha umuntu wayefuna kemniningwane ngecala lokubulawa kukanjiniyela u-Armand Swart. Sesifikile ekhaya isidumbu sikalowo bengumholi weCope Musiwa Ligota eBotshabela eBloemfontein eFree State ngemva kwenkonzo ebibanjwe namhlanje ntambama.
It's a pleasure to once again be in this round of the competition.
Karuma sibhekwe kwezemidlalo iMamelodi Sundowns izobhekana-ke neqembu laseMali iStade Malien emidlalweni omqoka wesigaba sama-quarter final omqhudelwano i-CAF Champions League maduze ngehora-ke yesishiyagalombili enkundleni iLoftus Versfeld ePitoli. Ukuthola kube kwembukela ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora-ke lesikhombisa-ke ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi-ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo-ke naku-SABC Lihaye. Mina-ke igama lami ngikuDawl Phungula mbukela-ke singene kuzo ezihamba phambili kusihlwa nje. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usazise iPhalamende ngokusemthethweni ngokujutshwa kwamalungu ombutho wezokuvikela i-SANDF ngaphansi kohlelo i-Operation Prosper. Lamasosha azotshalwa-ke esifundazweni noma-ke ezifundazweni ey'nhlanu okubalwa kuzo iGauteng, i-Eastern Cape, i-Free State, i-North West kanye nase-Western Cape. Kanti lokhu kuzodla-ke imali engaphezu kweyigidi ezingama-800 zamarandi.
Lamasosha aphikitha lapha ingxenye lawa ngaphezulu kwenkulungwane 2,000 kanti estatementini esikhishwe ihhovisi likaMengameli lamasosha ajutshwe endaweni ezehlukene kuzalwe nobugebengu obufaka phakathi ukumba ngokungemthetho kanye nodlamelo yamene namaqembu emgulukudu.
The deployed members of the SANDF will assist the South African Police Service to prevent and combat illegal mining and gangsterism in the provinces of the Eastern Cape, Free State, Gauteng, North West and the Western Cape.
Umphakathi kwemukele ngeindlela ezehlukeneke ukujutshwa kwamasosha eindaweni ezehlukene.
Ayo nanokuthi mhlambe wona atrainwe ngendlela enye kodwa uma sekufika lana siye silibona usizo ukuthi ayasiphephisa kokunye.
Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi zona inankinga nencane nalabo abamba ngokungemthetho emphakathini. Ezinye iveze ngisho neinsolo ezithi amaphoyisa yabandakanyeka ebugebengwini.
Yena besithi masibafaka la simqashisela nawo amaphoyisa bethi mayefika bathola bakhupha ijodo.
Inyunya ukusebenza kwamasosha isandu nayo iphefumulile ngalokhu.
We have never been in support of the deployment of soldiers within the population of the civilian. The constitution does not allow that. It is at a very serious, dangerous risk.
Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
When I made this commitment to eat my head, it was out of faith and belief in the commitment of each and every member of the Congress of the People.
Namhlanje bekubanjwe inkonzo yokukhumbula ubengumholi we-Congress of the People uMosiwa Likota eBotshabela eBloemfontein esifundazweni Free State. uLikota uzongcatshwa-ke kusasa khona kuso lesa sifundazwe.
Inkulu ingozi eliqemeke yona elakuleli njengoba nje kudlula emhlabeni esinye seyishoshovu ezayilwisana nobandlululo okungulowo oke wahola iqembu lezombusazwe iCongress of the People uMosiwa Likota. Likota udlule emhlabeni esesibhedlela eGoli mhla zizini insuku kuyo lonyanga esikuyo. Kubanjwe inkonzo yokukhumbula uLikota namhlanje eBloemfontein esifundazweni Free State. Isidum sakhe silandwe emakhazeni sahanjiswa khona kuyo lenkonzo ebigcwele amakholwa. Kuthe nje ingaphela inkonzo sabe sesanjiswa emzini wakhe isidum sakhe. Kusenjalo yize bengasekho mdibi munye neAfrican National Congress kodwa bafike ngomningi baba abaholi balo leli qembu emzini kaLikota.
This is one man who was spirited against apartheid. He braved racial supremacy. He dared racial supremacy. He had no respect for ethnicity. And he displayed his fearlessness for a singular South Africa.
Likota uzobekwa endlini yakhe yokugcina kusasa khona emzini wakhe Free State.
Inhloko yethimba lobugebengu obuhleliwe uMajor General Richard Shibiri uvaleleke khoneni kukhomishana kaMadlanga ngenhloso yokuthi yakhiphe umuntu wayefuna kemininingwane ngecala lokubulawa kukanjiniyela uArmand Swart. Lokho wayefuna kemininingwane kusolakala ukuthi ubexhumana nephini lomkhuzi wamaphoyisa uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiyo Samisiwe ukuze ke amtholele lemininingwane.
Ebufakazini bakhe bayizolo uMajor General Shibiri ubelokhu eyamanisa okunguye wayefuna ulwazi ngokuqhubeka kwecala njengomuntu othile osohlangothini lwamaphoyisa ahambisana noSibiya. uShibiri usejikile njengoba etshele isithangami sekhomishana ukuthi wayefuna imininingwane yecala kwabe kuyilungu lomndeni kasomabhizinisi obhekene nezinsolo zamacala uKatiso KT Molefe. Nokumangaze kakhulu ke lokhu usihlalo wekhomishana.
I have difficulty understanding how that can, upon engagement in this commission yesterday, how that can suddenly change to the family. You say in so many words, at the time, reference was to the other faction. How does that suddenly change? I don't understand.
Obehola ubufakazi besithangami namhlanje ubuze uShibiri ukuthi njengoba engafuni ukugagula umuntu emile kwelokuthi ngomunye uhlangothi oluthile ngabe uqonde labo asebehlonzwe ngeBig 5.
I'm saying there were a group of 5 partners according to information, and that is what I said even today, to say information I got that the arrested person he was belonging to the group of the deceased, and they were about 5. They are having also companies.
Ukuhlonywa ngembuzo kukaShibiri kuphotshuliwe namhlanje. Ikhomishana izofaka esinye isicelo sokubizwa kwakhe uma kunesidingo.
Usamukeliso Mlotshwa oyiphoyisa elimisiwe emsebenzini nobethola kubufakazi ngaphambi kwekomiti lesikhashana laseParliament usoleke izikhulu zamaphoyisa okubalwa kuzo nomkhuzi kwamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngokuba yingxenye yamaphoyisa abandakanyeka izenzweni zokuhlukumeza. Umlotshwa ungelinye ke lamalungu omphakathi elimenywe yikomiti ukuthi lizokwenza izethulo.
Umlotshwa ukwathiole ngelithi ukubethwa kwakhe ngamapolisa kwakulandela ukwala kwakhe ukwamkela isinyobo athi sasibalwa ku200,000 sokuba rhuqela igama lomnye umuntu kwityala lokuxhwila elalingundaba mlonyeni. Utyhole umkomishina namapolisa kuzwelonke uFane Masemula ngokusilela ukululeka Mkhwanazi kuba wayebandakanyeka kwesi siganeko.
General Masemula has failed to execute his duties in disciplining General Mkhwanazi because he was part of the people who assaulted and tortured us on the 9th of December.
Umlotshwa ukwacacisa isithyolo sokuhlazeka kwakhe ngethuba wayeseluvalelweni lamapolisa esithi wanyanzelwa ukuba akhulule ahambeze aguqe phambi kwawayetyholwa naye ngethuba bencinwa ngemibuzo. Uthi lo myalelo wawuphuma kumapolisa phezulu kuquka uMkhwanazi.
I was told by the provincial commissioner to undress till I was naked. I was instructed to squat before my co-accused private part and ask me to tell who the person that entered the room was by Lieutenant Colonel Govenda. In this instruction, I was instructed by Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi to squat in front of the accused number 1's private part.
Umlotshwa wabanjelwa ukuxhwilwa kukasomashishini uZakaria Desai, nangona kunjalo uthi elityala ngakuye laye larhoxiswa. Bobabini uMasemula noMkhwanazi kulindeleke bavele phambi kwale komiti kwiveki ezayo. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingumkhokeli bandla ndiseParlamente.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe party lithi angeke liphosa ithawo lemkhankasweni walo okuketela kuhulumeni wobumbano esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal. Ngozibandlela nyaka ngeleli iqembu alizange keliphumelele emzameni walo wokukhipha ngesikhundleni undunankulu wesifundazwe uThami Ntuli ngevoti longabethembi ubuholi bakhe.
I-MKP ithi ngeke liphonse ithawula izokwenza konke okusemandleni ukususa uhulumeni oholwa i-IFP wobumbano KwaZulu-Natal. I-MKP yathola isibalo esiphezulu samavoti kunawo wonke amaqembu esifundazweni saKwaZulu-Natal okhethweni lango-2024. Yahlomula amaphesenti angaphezulu kuka-45. Njengamanje i-MKP imatasa nezingxoxo ngekusasa lesifundazwe.
Lo mkhankaso esizoqhubeka nawo sinethemba lokuthi sosheshe siwine kodwa esithi uma ngabe singawini siyowuphusha kuze kushaye u2029.
Mnumzane Mchunu uthi ungenela ukhetho lokuchibiyela kuvumela iqembu ukuthi lihlole kwesekwa kwalo ngabavoti.
Sathatha isinqumo sokuthi zonke izinketho zama-by-elections sizozikenela kodwa sasineyinhloso. Inhloso yethu yokuqala kwakuwukuthi sifunde ngawo ama-by-election ukuthi abantu bayasekela insungumkhonto wesizwe noma kabasekeli. Uma bengasisekeli kuphi la xega khona.
I-MKP isinqume ukungenelela ukhetho kuzo zonke izigceme esifundazweni okhethweni oluzayo lohulumeni basekhaya. Mnumzane uMchunu ukholelwa ukuthi kubalekile ukukhethwa kwamalunga nohlonze emphakathini ukumela iqembu okhethweni. Umholi we-MKP wesifundazwe naye ukholwa ukuthi iqembu lizinzile kulesifundazwe ngemuva kwezinxushunxushu zangaphakathi nezinguquko eziningi zobuholi. Iqembu selikhethe ukungazibambi izingqungquthela zalo zokukhetha ubuholi, kodwa mnumzane uMchunu uthi kuzoqokwa amathimba azosiza ukuqinisa uzinzo njengoba zingekho izinhlaka esikhethiwe. Kwindaba ze-SABC ngingu-Ayanda Mhlongo eThekwini.
Mbukele sathi qhu ey'tolo kanti uMasibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
Afake umlilo we-100 rand noma we-200 awuthathi amalanga atheni mhlambe bathatha amalanga amabili elesithathu akusekho umhlakazi.
Umphakathi waseDeepkloof eSoweto umasheleke emahhovisi e-Eskom njengoba ukhala-ke ngentengo yogesi ombeqolo lezakhamuzi zifuna ukuthi kuboniswane ngentengo yogesi engeke ikhinyabeze abantulayo. Mbukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibika ukuthi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usaziseke iPhalamende ngokusemthethweni ngokujutshwa kwamalungu e-SANDF angu-2200 ngaphansi kohlelo i-Operation Prosper lamasosha azotshalwa-ke eGauteng, e-Eastern Cape, e-Free State, e-North West kanjalo-ke nase-Western Cape. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi le indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomnjalo bazo. Iphini likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile kanye nongqongqoshe wezomhlaba nokuthuthukisa kweindawo zasemakhaya uMzwanele Nyotho banikeze ngokusemthethweni kumndeni wakwaMthweni esekhunda eMpumalanga umhlaba kanye namaphepha obunikazi. uMashatile uthi ke lokuyingxenye yokulungisa komlando ngokubuyisa kumhlaba kubantu kakhulukazi labo abalahlekelwa umhlaba ngaphansi kobandlululo.
Bekumzuzu wenjabulo emndenini wakaMthweni ngesikhathi ebuyiselwa umhlaba oyisemkhulu wathathwa eminyakeni engaphezulu kwama200 ayidlule. Lo mndeni busulinde ecishe iminyaka engaphezulu kwama20 ukuthola itayitela lomhlaba wabo.
You know, when I can talk about landless disposition is so difficult to explain. The magnitude it was having was beyond human comprehension.
Uhulumeni uthi lolu hlelo luyingxenye yokwenza ubulungiswa kulabo abaqhwaqwa uhulumeni wobandlululo.
Handing over a title deed, it is not about only returning the soil, returning the land. It is about also restoring the dignity of the African people.
uMashatile uthi bonke labo abasebehlomule ngamatayitela omhlaba bazohlinzekwa ngoqeqesho lokwazi ukusebenzisa umhlaba wawo ukuze benze inzuzo ngawo.
There is a committee that then take responsibility for managing these farms and look at and make sure that when the resources come from government are properly accounted for and are used for the purpose that are meant to be used for.
Abanikazi ababuyiselwe umhlaba bakufanise njengokuvuseleleka kabusha kwesithunzi nokuhlonipheka kwabo nokuvuleka kwamathuba amasha esizukulwane sabo.
Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uKhosiyenzo Ramokgopa uthi ke uhulumeni usebenza ngokuzikhandla ubhekana ke nezindleko zogesi kakhulukazi emndenini entulayo. Lokhu ke njengoba ke izakhamuzi zase Diepkloof zimasheleke emahhovisi eEskom zikhala ngentengo yogesi ombeqolo.
Izakhamuzi zaseDiepkloof eSoweto zimashele emahhovisi eEskom namhlanje lapho besihambise khona uhlu lwezikhalo. Lokhu njengoba sifuna ukukhokha imali yentengo kagesi engaguquki kanti lezi zakhamuzi sifuna nokuthi kumise ukufakwa kwezigubhu zogesi okuhlongozwayo.
Eskom must stop this prepaid meter installation process until such a time that the conversation with NERSA has been completed, because it would be premature, at least from where we are seated, for Eskom to continue with that process whilst discussions are taking place.
uHilda Dube oneminyaka engama72 obudala uthi ugesi ubiza kakhulu kanti kwesinye isikhathi uphoqeleka ukuthi akhethe phakathi kokuthenga wona noma ukudla.
Abafaka umlilo we100 noma we200 awuthathi amalanga atheni mhlambe bathatha amalanga amabili lesithathu akusekho umhlakazi. So mangabe emakhaya kunjalo abanye bakhala ukuthi abasebenzi baphila ngemali yegrant yabo umuntu abadala abahlele ekhaya.
Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe zogesi uDokotela Khosiyenzo Ramokgopa uvumile ukuthi ugesi umba eqolo.
We are working on an electricity pricing policy. I had made a public commitment that by end of April we should be out in the public and we'll put all of these permutations.
Eskom iphethe ngelithi izoqhubeka nokufaka izigubhu zogesi othengwayo kuyo yonke indawo eSoweto.
Ukubonakala kwamaphoyisa endaweni yaseCoxton Fontaine eduze naseBishop Levis eKapa kubuyiseke ithemba kuzakhamuzi zakuleya ndawo njengoba ke iKapa seliphenduke indawo yegila mkhuba kanye nobugebengu. Kuleli sonto kudutshuleke kwabulawa abantu abayi18.
Oludubulo lwaseCoxton Fontaine layanyaniswa namaqela emigulukuthu gang related. Lamaqhoba ebehleli ngaphandle kwalamasango ngexa ifumana uhlaselo. Ababini kwabo bashonileyo ngamadoda asele eqinile. Umbutho iBishop Levis Crime Prevention Forum ithi amapolisa ayahluleka ukuqubisana ngokwaneleyo nobundlobongela obuqatseleyo nokudutshulwa kwabantu bequndene kummandla weFlaka ngenxa yokugxilithelana kwemipu.
At this stage, we cannot say whether there is an internal war, but all signs are there that there is definitely something brewing. Obviously, we don't know. It could be instructions from somewhere for whatever reasons we don't know.
I-Cape Crime Crisis Coalition yona ichaze ukwanda kobundlobongela nolwaphulo mthetho kwanokudutyulwa kwesininzi siqundene ndawonye kummandla weflaga njengobundlobongela obuhleliweyo nobujoliswe kuluntu.
Until we dismantle the gang networks and the illegal gun economy behind them, these massacres will continue.
Luntu lunguphele ngokunjenana kwaye abahlali boyikisela ubomi babo.
Crime in general in our area, Cape Town and Cape Flats, is totally out of control.
Ndingumlamli Maneli wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Bokele sathi ku 8 lomake sibuya sizobeke sikuphathele umhlahlo wesimo sezulu. Sizibeka lapha besikuphathele zona ke namuhla kusasa bakhona kuza kwethu neindaba ngolimi lesiXhosa bukeli sali kahle.